I joined the Craft Academy in October of 2022, and I started seeing benefits about 2 to 3 months later. I started booking a lot of dream clients right away.
I think if I hadn't joined TCA, I would probably be sitting in my living room still, having a lot of self-doubt and questioning everything that I was doing in my life.
I moved from St. Louis, Missouri to Las Vegas, and I would not have had a networking group if it hadn't been for the TCA.
Before I started TCA, I was really just like every other calligrapher out there, fumbling around, trying to figure out what I needed to do to find my ideal clients, trying to figure out what I wanted to do with my business. It really gave me a great roadmap just to start working on what I needed to do to improve myself, to level up my business, to get my company out there, my work out there. It really impacted like every single aspect of my business, from social media to pitching, even mindset. So it really has helped me a lot.
Honestly, like the coaching calls are the best. Rosie, Tammy, and Danny, like you ask them anything and they can help you with almost everything, really. And I really cherish that, because without them, I'll be stuck in my head and I will doubt myself, and just knowing that all of these other calligraphers are in the same boat as me is reassuring to myself, and it teaches me that I can keep going, and seeing everyone else's success makes me want to succeed too.
If I didn't join TCA, my business would probably still be at level 0. I'm the type of person that will overthink and overanalyze and try to do anything, everything all at once. And so when you do that, you just kind of stay where you are. So I think that my business would not have gotten off the ground, literally, had it not been for TCA.
There was definitely a lot of imposter syndrome and fear of moving forward. And now that I am a part of TCA, there's just such an overwhelming amount of support that imposter syndrome, it easily disappears. And I feel that I can move forward in my business without fear of falling flat on my face, so to speak.
My favorite part about being in the Craft Academy is just the companionship and the support that I have from the other artists. Being a creative is sometimes pretty lonely, especially like if you're from a small town like I am. So having this community of like-minded people and the support is by far my favorite thing.
I can be vulnerable and I can be real, and there's a generosity of camaraderie that's in the group. So we're all learning together, we're all lifting each other up. If you're feeling insecure, there's somebody there who's going to help you feel better through that.
My favorite part of being a part of TCA is the bonding and the connections that I've made. I'm always learning something, and from these ladies, I'm learning a ton.
The networking and the friendships that you form with so many people, that even though we've met only online, and it's just amazing. And anytime I meet someone in person, it's like I've already known them for many years. So that's really my favorite part, is the networking with others.
Trust the process. You know, I was very intimidated coming into TCA because they're amazing calligraphers, and imposter syndrome comes with all of that. I'm not gonna promise imposter syndrome doesn't just go away. Like, it doesn't. I have it every day, every inquiry, and it's gotten better because I've believed in myself. I've seen my progress, and honestly, having calligrapher friends all around the States and the world, you can see the progress in them too.
People are from all over the country, all over the world, and they're so willing to share and just uplift each other, give each other support. It's the most wonderful thing. So the community at TCA is my favorite thing.
If I didn't join TCA, my business wouldn't be a business. It would just be a very, very expensive hobby. I joined the Craft Academy in February 2023. I started seeing benefits actually inside 2 weeks of the program by learning more about my website and the visibility of it, of people seeing it. So it only took 2 weeks.
Really think about putting time, money, effort into yourself. If you are feeling discouraged, if you are feeling inadequate, chances are that those are all lies. And I would say just to take a leap of faith, and you will find out that you are way better and way more capable than you ever thought possible.
So TCA's impacted the growth of my business in a way I never really anticipated. I don't think I could have achieved the success I currently have without the help of TCA and all of the members in the community and Rosie. Everyone's just been so supportive and so helpful. Anytime I have questions, anytime I have doubts or feel vulnerable, everyone's just there to support me, and I feel so lucky.
I feel it's helped me really, get out of my comfort zone. I think what happens, because I'm such a busy mom and I still have my day job, I think sometimes I don't stretch myself enough. And I think, seeing the girls and being around the girls really helps me get out of my comfort zone.
There are aspects where you're strong and you're weak, and the TCA helps you find that. Rosie helps you find your weaknesses and she helps you strengthen those, and she elevates what you already know.
Enjoy the ride, because it is so fun and every day is different. There's a lot of ups and downs, but the downs make the ups even that much better.
Just do it. The money that I spent investing in TCA, I know that I've reaped well over my investment. Save yourself the time, save yourself the drama, save yourself the headache. Just invest and do things the right way the first time around.
If I didn't join TCA, at first I would say I would still be doing the markets, not profiting, and then eventually getting frustrated, and then just going back to having it as a hobby. But it wouldn't even be that great of a hobby because I'd probably barely grab the pins. So
if someone is thinking about investing in themselves, and particularly in TCA, I would recommend it highly, 100%. Just go for it and do it. If you're at the point where you're thinking about investing in yourself, it's probably time that you do. And if you are looking to start a creative business or to grow a creative business, TCA is probably the best program out there to help you do that.
Investing in TCA is a no-brainer. If you're looking to gain momentum and success, you really need a collaborative and supportive community, and TCA is the best place to join for that and help you grow your business at the same time.
If I can go back in time, I would tell myself when I first started is to just follow your gut and make that leap in investing in a program that could bring you into so many different areas that you would never know possible that you could be in.
I feel like Rosie really gave us an arrow and pointed us in the direction that we needed to go with all of the classes and training and everything that she gives us, educational tools to really propel us into a forward direction.
Oh my gosh, if I did not join TCA, no telling where my business would be. I do not think it would be as scaled as it is now, and I would have the confidence that I have now if I was not a part of this program.
I would tell myself when I first started that everything's gonna be okay. I would tell myself that today too, to be honest. Sometimes you go through highs and lows, and it's just comforting to know that everything's gonna be okay. Things always work out exactly how they're supposed to, good, bad, and different. So that's what I would tell my business starting out.
Last words of wisdom: always bet on yourself and always speak positivity into your life. You got this.
Just go for it. Stop being afraid of success. Stop playing small. Stop selling yourself short. Just do it and you'll thank yourself for it.
Don't wait, run, and join the TCA now, because no matter what stage you are in your business, you are going to benefit. From somebody who's just thinking about having a calligraphy business, I wish I had this when I was starting. I would just sign up immediately. You're worth it, and so is your business.